Welcome to an advanced body mechanic animation course. Hi, I am Nas. I will be an instructor for the next few hours. I have 10 years experience in animation industry. In this course we will be focused on applying principle of animation in complex shot, but in an attractive way. We will work frame by frame on how to build our shot step by step to explain every pose and character personality. Also, I will be your mentorship in your personal shot. I will follow you step by step until you get shot done. You will send me your progress and I will get back to you with feedback and I'm very excited to work together in the coming few hours. We will learn principle of animation in active way. I hope this course help you a lot and enjoy every frame from it.